In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change SafeSearch settings in Microsoft Edge. This is a simple process that gives you better control over what content appears in your search results. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer, then go to bing.com since SafeSearch settings are tied directly to Bing. On Bing's homepage, look at the top right corner for the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines. Click it to open a drop-down menu, then select SafeSearch. Here, you'll see 3 options. Strict filters out all adult content, including images, videos, and text. Ideal for environments where you want maximum protection. Moderate. This is the default setting. It filters adult images and videos, but not text, providing a balanced approach. Off. Disable SafeSearch completely. If you choose this, you may need to sign into your Microsoft account and verify your age. Once you've selected your preferred setting, click Save at the bottom of the page. This applies your changes and ensures your SafeSearch preferences take effect. And that's it. You now have full control over your Bing search environment in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials.